Alright, so now we're going to talk about x and y intercepts. So the CLO says that students will, in writing, analyze quadratic functions, determine where the x and y intercepts are using language of analysis. So when we're talking about x and y intercepts, we physically want to see the point, okay? So this isn't a range of numbers. We've been talking about domain, range, intervals. Those are all like a range of numbers. This time we're talking about a very specific point. And the point we're looking for is where it crosses the x or y axis. So sometimes you can physically see this, it'll like physically go through right there and you'll be like, oh, this is the point, right? Well, in this case, it just touches right here, okay? That still is considered an x or y intercept. So an x-intercept happens when the y coordinate equals 0. So when this coordinate equals 0. Okay, so we're looking at this one right here. I just cannot write today. Alright, let's try this again. Looking at where this one right here. There we go. When this equals 0, and we see that this equals 0 right here. So we can say that the y-intercept happens at 0, 0. This is a point, okay? And then, or I'm sorry, the x-intercept happens there. Now, when we're talking about the y-intercept, that happens when the x-coordinate equals 0. Okay, so when it crosses through this line right here, and it happens to be at the same point. It won't always be the same point, but in this case it is the same point. So we're looking when this coordinate right here equals 0, which is the same exact thing right here. So we can also say that this one is the point 0, 0. And there you go. That is how you find x and y intercepts.